Hands down. Ow! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. You have issues!
It was recorded.
Today we're making cheese garlic biscuits.
Yum. Now what?
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh yeah, it is. What a blooper.
Okay. To finish the biscuit. Ah! Stupid Max. Making sure they're nice and garlicky.
Should I tell him he's not allowed to have them because he ruined a lot of our videos?
You just ruined our video!